In this video, we'll show you how to install and add car mods in GTA 5 Enhanced. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So there's two ways to install car mods in GTA 5, replacement mod and add-on mod. But it's a little bit more complicated to install it for GTA 5 Enhanced. So here I'll show you how to easily install them. First, you can download the car mods on GTA5mods.com. Here you can scroll through the vehicle section and look for the one that you like, but make sure it's compatible with GTA 5 Enhanced. If you're not sure, you can check the description of the mods. And you can also download it through nexusmods.com. There is a GTA 5 Enhanced section, so all the car mods listed here is compatible with GTA 5 Enhanced. I'll show you how to install both replacement and add-on mods. So for the add-on mods, I'll install Noble M500 2022. And for the replacement car mods, I'll install bands for Enhanced. And to install them, we'll use OpenIV. You can go to OpenIV.com and here just click download now. Because OpenIV is not fully supported yet, we'll also need Z Enhanced. So you can click the link in the description and just download the file here. To spawn the car we install, we're gonna use add-on spawner. I'll also put the link in the description. Next, to make sure everything works, we also need Scriptbook V. You can click the link in the description. So here, just click download and save it on your PC. After you download everything, you'll have OpenIV, add-on spawner, your car mods, Z Enhanced, and Scriptbook V. And to install them, you also need your GTA 5 directory. To find it on Steam, you can go to Library, right-click on GTA 5 Enhanced, Manage, and select Browse Local Files. On Epic Games, go to Library, look for your GTA 5 Enhanced, and then click the three dots next to it, Manage, and click the folder icon. Alright, now let's install OpenIV. Open up the exe files, and here click Continue, read the terms, and check I accept, and hit Continue again. Here you don't need to change anything, just click continue and download the necessary files. After it's done installing, you can close it. And now before opening OpenIV, let's open up Z Enhanced to bypass OpenIV. So you can open up the zip file with WinRAR or 7-zip, but for this video, I'll use WinRAR. So just right click and open it with WinRAR. Inside the folder, open up the exe file, double click on it, and here click select game folder. Locate your GTA 5 Enhanced directory and hit select folder. Now simply hit OpenIV fix, and that's done. You can open up OpenIV now. Alright, select GTA 5 Windows and then locate your GTA 5 Enhanced again. Click browse, go to your directory and hit select folder and click continue. Alright, we're inside OpenIV now, and the first thing we're gonna do is enable the edit mode. You can click the button on the top right, hit yes, and then you have this message here. Don't worry, just ignore it because we're gonna install it from Z Enhanced. So go back to Z Enhanced and here click OpenIV files like that. Click OK. And after that, click Enhance Files. And that's done. All of the ASI files we need is installed. Next, you can install Scriptbook V. Open up the zip file, go to the bin folder, and here what you need is X input, Scriptbook V, and the input 8. So you can select all of them and then drag and drop them into your GTA 5 directory, like that. Next, to install add-on spawner, open up the zip file, and here we need the add-on spawner folder and the ASI file. So you can select them and drag and drop it into your GTA 5 main directory. After all of that, we're ready to install the car mods. But first, you'll need a mods folder in your GTA 5 main directory. If you don't have it, you can just create it and copy update and x64 folder from your main directory. And after you have the mods folder, let's install the add-on car mods. Open up the zip file, and here if you open the folder, you should see dlc.rpf. Alright, go back to OpenIV and then go to mods, update, x64, DLC packs, and we're gonna put the folder from the car mods into here. So just drag and drop the folder and that's done. After that, go back to mods, update RPF, common, and then data. And here look for dlclist.xml and right click on it and hit edit. Scroll down and copy one of the lists, select it, right click and copy, and then press enter, right click and paste. Now rename it into the car mods folder name. So let's copy it from here and then paste it here. Alright, click save, and that's done for the add-on mods. Next, for the replacement mod, you can open up the zip file, and usually you have the readme files to know what and where the car it's replacing. So for me, it's on x64e. So to install it safely, I copy x64e.rpf from the main directory into the mods folder. Now go back to OpenIV, and here go to the path from the readme and just drag and drop the YFT and YTD files into the vehicle RPF. Like that. Next, if your car mods have meta files, you can go to mods, update RPF, common, data, and you can put the files here. So just drag and drop it and replace them. like that. So when you're done using OpenIV, delete GTA5.exe from your enhanced directory, and if you want to use it again, you can open up Z Enhanced to get it back. Before you open GTA 5 Enhanced and Rockstar Games Launcher, go to settings and make sure you disable battle eyes so you're not going to GTA Online and risk getting banned. Alright, we're in GTA 5 now, and let's spawn the car we installed. You can press F5 on your keyboard to open add-on spawner menu, and here to spawn the add-on car, go to spawn add-on and just select the car. There we go. And for the replacement, you can type the name of the car you replaced. So for me, it's Buffalo 2, and press enter, and there we go.